In the previous video, we have understood what is velocity and what is speed. Now let us understand velocity a little bit more. If a body is moving with steady speed along a straight line, that is, it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, then that is called as uniform velocity. For example, look at the dog. It is running along a straight line with a constant speed. Then it is moving with uniform velocity. A non-uniform velocity is when a body moves with changing speed along its path. That means it covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, and also it changes its direction. Look at the bee. It is continuously changing its direction and continuously changing its speed. So it is moving with non-uniform velocity. When a body moves with uniform velocity, then that is called as uniform motion. So the motion of the dog is an example of uniform motion. And when a body moves with non-uniform velocity, then that is called as non-uniform motion. So the motion of the bee is non-uniform motion. Can you identify the picture? Yes, you guessed it right. These are the important parts of a car. The one which is marked A is accelerator, the one which is marked B is the brake, and the one which is marked C is the clutch. Why is it called as an accelerator? Because it helps to increase the speed of a car. So, acceleration is defined as the change of velocity in unit time. And the formula is acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken for change. And it is measured in meter per second square. So in a nutshell, when do you say that a body has acceleration? We can say a body has acceleration when it is speeding up, when it is slowing down, or when it is changing its direction. Let's solve an example. Car changes its velocity from 5 meter per second to 15 meter per second in 20 seconds. Calculate its acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken for change, that is 15 minus 5 upon 20 second, that is equal to 10 meter per second upon 20 second, which gives you 0.5 meter per second square. So the car moves with an acceleration of 0.5 meter per second square. What happens to a car when you apply brake? Yes, the car comes to a stop. So the speed of the car comes from a higher value to 0, or the speed of the car is decreasing. When a body moves with a decreasing velocity, that is called as deceleration. A car is traveling at 20 meter per second and comes to a stop in 12 seconds. Find its acceleration. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken for change, that is 0 is the final velocity, and minus 20, that is the initial velocity, upon 12 minutes, which is the total time taken. You will get minus 1.67 meter per second square. This minus sign indicates that the car is moving with a decreasing velocity. When do we say that uniform body is moving with uniform acceleration? A body moves with constant acceleration, that means its speed increases or decreases by equal amount in equal interval of time. The best example is a freely falling body. For a freely falling body, the acceleration of the motion is constant, that is acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.8 meter per second square. Non-uniform acceleration is when a body moves with varying acceleration. That means its speed increases or decreases by unequal amount in equal interval of time. Like the car in the picture, which runs through a difficult road. It has to continuously change its speed to pass the road. So this is an example of non-uniform acceleration. Check on these interesting facts about speed and acceleration.